Here's something that might surprise you. Your biological sex fundamentally changes how your body responds to magnetic field exposure. And this discovery could finally explain why electromagnetic field research has produced such inconsistent results for decades. A comprehensive new review published in Electromagnetic Biology and Medicine examined how men and women respond differently to magnetic fields. The research identifies three key biological factors that create these sex-based differences. First, heart position and orientation. Your heart generates the strongest bioelectromagnetic signal in your body, but heart position varies between men and women. This means the body's primary electromagnetic field interacts differently with external magnetic exposure depending on your sex. Second, hormonal influences. The study found that hormone levels significantly affect how your body processes magnetic field exposure. These hormonal differences create distinct response pathways between men and women. Third, brain structure and organization. Men and women show different brain field organization patterns. This affects how magnetic fields interact with neural activity. But here's the critical issue the researchers uncovered. Most electromagnetic field studies fail to report magnetic field polarity and direction. Yet this research shows these factors matter tremendously for biological effects. Think about it this way. If you're studying how people respond to a medication, you need to know the exact dose and formulation. The same principle applies to magnetic field research. Without knowing polarity and direction, you're missing crucial variables. This could explain why some studies find significant biological effects while others find nothing. The magnetic field characteristics weren't properly documented or controlled. The broader implications are significant. Most EMF safety standards were developed without considering sex differences. This means current guidelines may not adequately protect everyone. The research also suggests this framework could help identify why some people seem more sensitive to electromagnetic field exposure than others. It moves us beyond one-size-fits-all approaches to EMF health protection. So what does this mean for you? First, recognize that your biological sex may influence how you respond to electromagnetic field exposure. This isn't about being more or less sensitive. It's about understanding that the biological pathways are different. Second, when evaluating EMF research, look for studies that report magnetic field polarity and direction. Studies that omit these details may not provide the complete picture. Third, consider that EMF protection strategies might need to account for individual biological differences rather than assuming universal responses. This research addresses a critical gap in EMF science. By understanding how biological sex affects electromagnetic field interactions, we can develop more targeted and effective approaches to EMF health protection. The evidence suggests that personalized EMF protection, based on your individual biological characteristics, may be more effective than generic approaches. Find the full study and hundreds more at shieldyourbody.com/research. Find the full study and hundreds more at shieldyourbody.com/research.